Next, we can edit the content of the demo theme. So here I will select edit with Elementor, since the website is created using Elementor. I just right click and open it here. I've already opened this tab here. Now, whatever elements that you want to edit, you can just click on them. For example, agency that suits your needs. Instead of that, agency that helps you get more leads. So we can just edit this. Now no more, instead of no more the standard button, I can just click on the edit option which is there, and I can just link it to some of the inside pages, or let's say about us or services. So maybe I can just link it to services. So uh, services, now currently home agency, okay fine, so I'll just link it to this home page as of now, because we may not have inside pages to this thing, so we'll have to check that. So in short, we can update it to whatever internal links we have. We can choose whether we want to open it in a new tab, or we want to add a no follow tag. No follow tag is generally added when you are referring to some third-party websites which is there. We can also change the text, get started now, and we can just update this thing here. So this page is updated. Similarly, we can just service we provide, we can change the services, we can edit the icon which is there, and it's quite easy to update all the information on the home page. So let's say for example, if I don't want this block, I can simply just click on the delete icon, and I can delete that, and I can have 3 services. Or maybe if I don't want one of these services, I can edit the column, and I can change the layout as well. So the entire thing can be managed from here. So let's say here I don't want to have this video, I can just click on the edit icon, and I can add some other YouTube video which is there. So definitely this can be managed. Instead of who we are, let's say I want to change the text to about us, so I can just write about us, and maybe I will just make the about thing as bold. Similarly, I can edit all the information which is there very easily by just clicking on the edit icon. The best part about this entire thing is that it's a kind of a visual editor that simultaneously, while you're making the changes, you can see what are the changes that are happening on the website. So you need not have to go to the preview mode and check all the changes. Right. So there is also something called as style. We can just click on the style icon, and we can manage the style in terms of alignment, the text color, the typography, etc. There is also an advanced option which is there, which is about the margins and paddings and Z index. Z index is mainly used if you want to have it as a uppermost layer. Motion effect, if you want to have some movements, we can have that. Background, again, do we want to have a normal background, or we want to have a gradient background? So that is something which we can decide. In this case, we have got a secondary color of pinkish. We can just change it to bluish, and we can just update it here. And similarly, we can edit all the other changes also that we want. So more or less, it is a drag and drop interface, and which helps you easily manage the stuff.